Good morning, everybody. I am tired as all heck. It is 7:04. I had my alarm go off. I wish I shut it off, but I want to get out. I don't know. It just feels like today there's not a lot of great deals with couponing. I mean, usually there's just some really good stuff, but today there's not. There's no coupons really to print except 2, so it's not even worth making a coupons to print video. So I just woke up. I'm going to start preparing more for today with CVS because we got those new CRTs. And then I'm going to have a bowl of breakfast. My kids will probably be up by the time I'm done eating. And then I'm going to take a shower and get going. But I'm just tired and I'm going to try to take a nap today because I just feel like I haven't had a nap. I haven't like caught up on my sleep lately. And I should have gone to bed early last night, but I just really wanted to watch that show. And you guys, I cried like 5 times during that movie last night. It was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm just really tired. Ugh. So I'm gonna continue preparing for today. I have to go outside and get my newspaper, but I don't want to go outside because I'm in my pajamas and my neighbors wake up at the crack of dawn. So it's like I don't want to go outside. So I will see you guys back when I'm more motivated, more upbeat. I'm probably gonna have some caffeine today just because I need some oomph. So I will see you guys. Well, hey you guys. So it is 8:03. I'm so excited. I actually got to leave on time. I'm more wide awake. I have some code red. I am finally leaving. Ben woke up right after I started talking to you guys, and then Charlotte is still sleeping and Grandma's still sleeping. So I'm like, I'm getting out of here because I can't just leave Miss Charlotte. She's my little princess. I have to give her kisses and all that stuff, but I'm like, I gotta get out of here before she wakes up because then it takes even longer. So I am going to Menards to get my inserts, and then I am going to Walgreens and then CVS, and then yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll see you guys. I don't know if this is me, but I'm at Menards right now. I wish I could shop at my old store, but it's way out of my way. But I get 4 inserts, or 4 newspapers when I know they're pretty decent, because my store has them for $2.50. Everywhere else in this area, they sell the inserts for $5 for the same newspaper. I could get the Milwaukee paper, which is $4, but sometimes it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you get good coupons, sometimes you don't. Last week when I went to Walgreens, there was no inserts whatsoever, and it's just weird unless somebody stole them out of there. But I'm going through the newspaper right now, and don't you guys like ever get nervous? Like, is all the coupon inserts there? Like, what happens if the inserts aren't there? Like, I've had it one time where I bought my brother bought me newspapers, and there were 0 inserts whatsoever. And I ended up contacting the newspaper. I said, hey, my brother bought me these and there's no inserts. He's like, well, there should have been. I'm like, yeah, so either you need to investigate where my brother bought the newspaper or something. So they ended up like refunding me my money because that's what I bought the inserts for. But I always get nervous. I'm like, okay, are the inserts in there? Are they in there? Are they in there? And then I'm like, oh no, there's one missing. Like I have had like extra inserts sometimes in newspapers, very rare. And I've also had missing inserts, like a missing retail me not. And I'm like, man. So it kind of sucks. But I always get that like, okay, make sure they're all in there. Make sure all they're in there. So I am now going to Walgreens. It's 8:23, so I'll see you guys back when I get there. So it is now 11:38. I haven't filmed my videos yet because it's just too hot outside to film, and I don't like having the air conditioning on. So I am home. I just did the math. Now I'm gonna carry my clipboard and my stuff downstairs and film my haul. So I said it's 11:38. I probably won't get the first video up until probably 1 o'clock because that's just how things happen. So Charlotte's almost ready for a nap. She's just happy. Gigi, you gonna order mama? Yes. So it's hot outside, but I'll catch you guys back when we're more productive. Yes. Okay, you guys, it is 3:35. Grandma and I wanted to try this new place that we've been actually wanting to try for years. It's called Chicken licks. It used to be chicken lips, but they changed the name to licks, like licking a spoon. So we are sitting in the car, Graham's getting it right now, and then I thought we could go to Costco right after this. Well, I have a boy who refuses to wear pants most of the time, so he's just in his underwear. It's like, now we can't go to Costco. So I says, I'll go to Costco, or I'll run in and then get my stuff. I just have to get 2 things, or mostly just 1 thing. And then I will leave Costco, and then Graham can run in because he's got to make an appointment because we got to get new tires on the van badly. So that's how our day is going. But it's like, this kid just never wears pants, and then like Graham's in such a hurry that we have to go get food right away, and it's just like, okay, then it's not my fault that Ben didn't wear pants because I had to hurry up and rush to get everywhere. So yeah, so 3:36, we're getting ready to eat an early dinner. Then go to Costco. So we just left Costco. There, it is like dark in front of us. There's supposed to be a storm happening, 100% chance of rain, but that is dark, so I'm curious to see what it is. But we were at Costco, and we waited in line for maybe, what, how long was I inside? Like 15, 20 minutes? Yeah, I stayed in line the longest. I only got 3 items, but the couple in front of us, they started scanning my stuff. I says, no, that's my stuff. And they're like, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. He's like, just make sure you pay for it to somebody in the near future. And I'm like, oh, okay, thank you, you know. And then I says, oh, that's right, I have to walk with them out because they gotta check the receipt. So they're like, oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. I'm like, yeah. So I thanked them like 4 times, and Charlotte was with me, and she just like flirted like crazy with everybody. But I'm excited to see what we're gonna drive in. Hopefully we can make it home. We're about 10 minutes probably from home, but let's see if we can make it home before this major storm. Okay, you guys, so the rain is right in front of us. I'm curious to see how bad it is. We're not taking the country road that we usually do because the wind is strong. Look at that, Graham. It's like so cloudy in front of us. I don't know why, you guys. I'm a dork when it comes to this stuff. And this is how exciting my life is.
Great idea.
What's your great idea?
Well, we go outside and then get blown and let go where the wind can blow it.
Those people don't even have their windshield wipers.
I used to flow glue at the back that freaking blew.
I don't even know if this is rain. This just might be dust from the crops. I don't know, you guys.
Crops.
What?
It is sprinkling. It's sprinkling.
There we go.
Here we go.
Yeah, no, we're fine.
Let's see how heavy this rain can get.
I'll go through the neighborhood.
Oh, like behind your work?
Yeah.
Now I have cars coming to watch my tablet.
Oh my goodness. This isn't that heavy. It looked like it was such heavy rain. Lame. It's still dark. I know I'm a dork, but look at that. Light sky, dark sky. Light sky, dark sky. Graham's looking at me like I'm weird. And yeah. Okay, you guys, now it is officially raining like crazy. It's about 9:55. Yeah, Ben like dumped out all of his Legos, and I'm like, you have 2 minutes to pick it up. He's like, no, I'm playing. I says, no, you literally have 2 minutes to pick it up, or I'm throwing the Legos away. And so the timer went off, and he didn't have them all picked up, so I picked them all up. I said, you will not be playing with them for a very long time, so I took them in the basement and hid them, so he will not find them for a while. I get a kick how I keep taking toys away, and I keep taking toys away, and I keep taking toys away, and the house still is a disaster. So I'm like, hot as heck. Graham just helped me pick up like crazy. He vacuumed. I swept the kitchen floor. But yeah, Ben just is at that stage right now where it's like, no, I don't want to. I'm playing, or I can't get up. I'm stuck to the ground. So I'm trying to get him to work on things, but it's like I keep constantly taking toys away. It's like we're supposed to find out tomorrow if the kids are going to school, part-time, full-time, I don't know. He just needs to get out of the house, I think. Even if it's for a couple hours, I think he just needs to get out of the house for school. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on with that. But yeah, I finished this documentary I was watching, and then I want to watch The Good Son. It's currently on HBO right now. and our HBO thing ends at the end of this month. So I want to watch that movie before it ends, but then I'm like, oh, I want to watch The Kissing Booth again. So I'm going to probably watch The Good Son, because I can watch The Kissing Booth anytime. But I'm just chilling in the basement right now because I brought some stuff down here. But we did clean up the living room like crazy. I'm going to continue picking up more tomorrow. I am going to hopefully take some pictures to post on, to get ready to sell on Etsy. And then I got to think about prices and everything. And then I'm going to probably clean the mirrors and possibly the windows tomorrow is what I want to do. But I told Grandma I don't want to go anywhere tomorrow. I don't want to go anywhere Tuesday, and I don't want to go anywhere Wednesday. I want to stay home all 3 days. If I have to go run somewhere, as long as I have to sit in my car, I guess that's okay. We got to finish some library books. So I got to figure out when those are due. And then I have a Netflix movie that I got to finish too. So there's that. But yeah, I was just trying to figure out like other stuff I want to make. I want to order some more things, but it's like I don't need to order them until I start getting some money in. So yeah, but my shirt is completely dirty. I have like drool on me, barbecue sauce, I got candy. Yeah, it's just been a rough day today. I want to go to bed, but I just need some alone time is what I want to do. So I'm just going to kind of just lay down and start the movie. Even if I just watch 15 minutes of it, I got it somewhat motivated. But I got to upload this video, and then I'm hoping to have a better day tomorrow. Like, I wasn't even stressed out. I'm just a tiny bit stressed out. But, like, today for just couponing, it's the pressure that gets to me more than anything. Because it's like, I got to hurry up and post this video, and I got to post it. I mean, I just feel like it's a rush because a lot of you guys want to do your shopping right away, too. And then by the time I get my video, you guys, you know, oh, I got to go back and do that. But there's a lot of you that wait to do the video, do my video anyways. But I try to post it earlier. Like, I could go to this Walgreens where I live and film it, and then come home, post it, and then go to CVS. But this Walgreens doesn't have as much stuff as the other one. So, you know, there is that I have to deal with. So, but I don't know. I might try it one time. But I really like the store people that I go to on Sundays. Like, they know me by name. I know them by name. You know, I walk in, they're like, hi, Jennifer, you know, and I pretty much have the whole place to myself. So, I don't know what I want to do. But, yeah, it was just like an interesting day. It's like I got to go back to routine. It was nice having like a little vacation with my mom, and my mom really enjoyed it. You know, we were in the hot tub for all 4 days. You know, I think she enjoyed it too because she's by herself all the time. My brothers are all moved out. My stepdad's a truck driver, so he's home like maybe every other week or every third week. But he's going to be retiring soon. My mom just retired. So she's like lonely, like there's nothing around her. Her best friend moved away. I mean, she talks to her sisters every once in a while, but she's just lonely. And I told her now, since I'm not working, you know, I could always come down, and if Ben doesn't have if Ben has to do homeschooling, we could always still go down and visit her, even if he has to do homeschooling, you know, as long as he's sitting in front of the computer, you know, he could just spend time doing that way. But I think I'll be probably going back and forth to my mom's house more often, and I think she'll be coming down here just because we like each other's company, and I feel like we can get some stuff done. So she's probably not going to come down until the end of August for Ben's birthday. We don't even know what we're doing yet, so I got to start planning for that, even if we have 2 of his buddies over. But yeah, it's just not much else going on, you know. But I'm gonna let you guys go so you can be like, yo, I want to see ya. You mean, I always get you guys saying, where's your vlog, where's your vlog? I always post it my time between 9 p.m. and 12 p.m. my time, so that's how whenever I get it posted. So I don't know, tomorrow I just want to have somewhat of a relaxing day. But Graham and I got some stuff started on Etsy. My account was suspended for a while because I used to sell on there. I only sold like 4 things. But they've changed it around, so I had to do something a little bit differently. So tomorrow I want to focus on the stuff that I do want to sell. I want to get some photos, and then they also let you add videos, which I do want to add some videos for the snow globes. So I am going to be working on that. I got about 6 or 7 items to post. Waiting for my stuff to come in for all the stuff that I'm going to put in the mailing mailing things. I ordered some bubble paper. So Lori, will you please email me about what cups you want, because I'm going to start yours very soon. I know you watch my vlogs. I still have to mail your cup, but I think you said I know you said you wanted one your daughter made, and I was just going to mail them both together. Unless you want yours early, please let me know. Just send me an email. It's a lot easier than that. And Lashwanda, sorry, please let me know if I'm saying your name wrong. Lashwanda, or yeah, sorry, I'm gonna butcher it. I always butcher people's names all the time. I know faces more than I know names. But your cup is finished. You gotta let it cure for a couple days. So I'm hoping to have it possibly in the mail Tuesday or Wednesday. So you will be getting your cup Tuesday, or I will be sending it to you Tuesday or Wednesday, and I will let you know on a tracking number. So yeah, so I'm getting there. But yeah, I'm just pretty excited to get some stuff done. I'm getting all my boxes ordered. I might have to figure out another type of box that I might need to get for another thing I need, but I'm gonna see the sizes of the boxes first, and then if I have to, I can always order them for these two things that I want to make. And then I'm just trying to think of other things that I could make that I love doing. So yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. So I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you guys for everything. You guys are really good friends to me. Majority of you guys, I talk to you guys more than I talk to my friends. It's kind of sad. I know it's kind of sad, but thank you guys. I'll see you guys all in the morning. Bye-bye.